Introducing ReadyLIFT's newest kit. It's our part number 691945. This fits the 2019 Ram New Body Style 2500. Now this kit comes with everything you need to get you a perfect 4.5 inches of lift. It's got coil spacers front and rear, track bar bracket, radius arm drop brackets, and shock extensions. Every component in this lift kit is bolt-on or installation without modification and engineered to provide a great ride and driving experience. The most notable change on the new 2019 Ram HD is the front track bar bracket. We've developed a new heavy-duty bolt-on bracket which is included in our 4.5 and 6-inch lift kits. But wait, there's more! ReadyLIFT now offers 2019 versions of all of our popular Ram HD kits. You can choose from either the 1 3/4 inch leveling, 3-inch SST, 4-inch, like you just saw, each available for 2,500 and 3,500 applications, or our big boy, our bolt-on 6-inch lift kit. Now on this particular 2019 3/4 ton, we chose to go with a more aggressive offset. We went with a 20 by 10 -18 sent to us by our friends at Moto Metal. And we also went with a 37 by 13.5 wide tire. Now you can see at the front and the back, it's going to call for a little bit of trimming. If we went with a 20 by 90 and perhaps a 12.5 inch tire, we could clear this no problem. Long story short, the further out you come, the more you're going to have concerns front and rear, so be mindful when you're picking your tire and wheel selection. Of course, the options vary. Bigger offset, greater offset, bigger tire, smaller tire, it's totally up to you. But rest assured, whether it's for play, work, in the pasture, at the job site, this truck's going to deliver. All these new Ram HD kits are specifically tailored to meet the needs of the new 2019 chassis and are designed to provide best-in-class performance on or off-road. And like all ReadyLIFT products, these kits include our ReadyGuard powertrain warranty for peace of mind and quality assurance. To learn more, visit ReadyLIFT.com, and as always, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.